All right, guys, this is my review of the Achim Home Furnishings light filtering cordless blinds. I installed them myself, and they were actually very easy to install. The instructions were good, and as you can see across the top, you cannot see the mounting, which I thought was very nice. They were easy to install, just a couple of screws. You have your return stick to let in the sun. They filter sun very well, and I love it that you can just they come up very nicely. You can see our snow is melting. That's cool. But they pull down very nicely. They filter a decent amount of sunlight, and they fit the window perfectly, just as ordered. And they're a good quality blind for what we ordered, and they were easy to install. I give it Lee Clocky's thumbs up.